we heard about a small other very interesting possibility of the PC over IP solution. A little bit noisy over here right now. The Cisco's make a lot of noise. What they show, they got here a solution to use the card to switch the session. So maybe you can tell me a little bit about that part.
So this solution is a collaboration with Interviewen, which is a single sign-on user authentication company. And what it showcases is the ability to do this single sign-on with a zero client. The market space that wants this, wants the security of a zero client, wants the low manageability of a zero client, and all the advantages of that make it attractive, and they want it in their hospitals. And the addition of single sign-on was one thing that was missing, so adding this, a lot of hospitals will be happy about that. So what we are showing here is single sign-on with a proximity card, like that, and all you have to do is tap to disconnect or tap to connect, as well as the ability to move from one location to the other. It's called follow me desktop or roaming. That scenario, if a doctor is working on this computer right here, and he's done, he will, and he forgets to log out, let's say, he'll just move to a different machine, log in, it will disconnect him from this one, and his desktop will follow him, and whatever he was doing before, he will see it on the new one. So that's it. So this is currently not released yet. It will be available towards the end of this year in our firmware. So once it's in the firmware, it's in all our zero clients. All the partners will have the same capability, whichever zero client you get from PCRIP zero client.
Well, it shows very well. It's a very good solution, I suppose. What's the reason you chose for RFID solution and not for the magnetic or another solution?
Like a smart card, yeah. So we chose this one because this is the biggest market in North America, at least. So this is what people use here the most, absolutely by far. So there's many different prox cards we support and different readers. Going to a smart card solution, contact smart card with a chip on it, is under review and under consideration for a future release. So it's something I know is stronger in Europe. So you know, both are used in Europe, but yeah.
Is it possible to use the card together with a code or something like that? To use the card together with a password or a code?
Yeah, so two-factor authentication. Yeah, you can do that as well. For example, we didn't set it up here, but you can do tap and password or tap and a PIN. You can do those combinations as well. Yes.
Okay, well, sounds very usable for us. I think we're going to do some research on that part. Thank you again.